Atma Namaste everyone, welcome in the new session. Atma Namaste. So, welcome everyone. I salute the divinity in all of you. I salute the soul within everyone. Today we are going to heal all our stored emotions. Our body has a tendency to store the emotion like tension, irritation, frustration. These things we used to store. And as a person, we have to understand that every time, every second, when we are in some situation, our body is storing, our organs storing the energy with every situation. So, in today's session, through meditation, we can release all the stored emotions from our entire body. So, shall we start? Everyone, you can lie down onto your bed or sit in a comfortable position at a comfortable place. Just relax, close your eyes. We are going to release the trapped emotion in our body. Let's invoke to the God with the help and the blessings of the Supreme God, the Absolute Supreme God, Universal Parabrahman. We are invoking to all the great gods and goddesses, healing angels, healing ministers, all the beings of light, air, water, earth. Help us to connect with you, with the God, and we all are connected to the Mother Earth. Feel we are connected to the Mother Earth. You can lie down, just focus on your heart, touch your heart and focus. Breathe in, inhale slowly, hold. Breathe out, slowly and deeply breathe out. Inhale, feel we are connecting with the God, touching the powers of the God. Inhale the peace. Peace is flowing onto our entire body from your head, eyes, ear, nose, throat, shoulder, onto your chest, onto your abdomen, on the back, in the spine. The entire legs and arms are filling with the peace. Wherever you are feeling any kind of discomfort, it's okay. Focus on that part. Wherever you feel any discomfort, focus on that part. Maybe there, maybe some emotion stored there. So, again, touch your heart. Take the deep breath. Inhale. Inhale slowly and deeply. Hold your breath. Exhale slowly. Feel your entire body. You are carrying the tension, heaviness. The body will show up. आपकी बॉडी आपको दिखाएगी कहाँ दर्द है, कहाँ परेशानी है. Just focus on that. Because when we know or when there is awareness कि ओके यहाँ पे दर्द है, तो you can heal that. Just feel wherever you have any energy restriction. Close your eyes, curl your tongue, inhale, hold, exhale. Focus on your head, all the stress, Release through your nose all the bad memories, the trauma stored in your head, left brain, right brain, front of the brain, wherever it may be, in the amygdala, all the traumatic stored emotions are transforming into the peace. Inhale peace. Feel the God's energy is flowing in your head and clearing all the traumas, all the past experiences from your brain. Release through your nose. Exhale. Again, inhale peace, love, joy, and release through your nose all the trauma, stress, tensions of the situation. Release, feel your brain is becoming lighter, lighter, lighter. Relax your body, your mind, your soul. Feel with the power of God. Inhale the peace, joy, and release from your eyes, ear, nose, from your entire face, all the stress. Release. Release now. Focus on your throat. Inhale. Hold the breath. Wherever your throat, any kind of restrictions and constrictions in the throat, fear, fear for future, fear of death, any kind of fear of reptiles or insects or fear of others' death, fear of money, release. Take the deep breath, feel the power of God is flowing on to all of us. Feel the peace, love, joy. Focus on your throat, release all the worry, all forms of negative structuring, creating negative energies, release. Cruelty, harsh expressions in words, injuriousness, release all the mental criticism, remorse from your jaws, all the remorse, release. Say, I'm releasing. I'm releasing all the tension, worry, fear, phobias, remorse, all the judgmental tendencies, expectations. Just release. Release all the expectations, judgments from every person, every being in your life. Say, I am releasing all the expectations, judgments, creations from my entire life, all the projections. I release. I release all the separations, rejections, and all those structures that I created in my mind, in my thought. I am releasing. Release that hold on energies. Again, inhale, focus on the throat. Feel the throat, mind, brain, eyes, ears, nose, your entire upper body is filling with the peace, calmness, serenity. Feel the relaxation. Say, I am relaxed. I am relaxed. I am healed. Now focus on your shoulders where you are carrying the burdens, the weight of the world onto our shoulders. Just release all the weight of your children, your spouse, your family, your entire world. Say, I'm releasing, and I'm so relaxed. Take the deep breath, focus on your shoulders, release all the weights, frozen shoulders, all forms of tensions, cervicals, any kind of misery, failures. ओ दुनिया का फेलियर मैंने ही अपने सर पे उठा रखा है, कंधों पे. Delays, postpones, avoidance, ignorance. I am releasing all these responsibilities which is not belonging to me. Just release. Feel the power of gods and goddesses in front of you. Feel the power of gods and goddesses and release all forms of feeling of hurt from your heart. Take the deep breath. All the heart feeling, hardness. No one loves me, no one cares for me, no one respecting me. All these energies release from your entire heart and heart chambers, from your entire body. Just release, release, release. Say, I'm releasing, I'm releasing, I'm releasing. Just release all these panic attacks. सारे panic attacks को release करो from your entire body. Say, I'm releasing all the panic attacks, all the panicking from my entire system. Focus on your entire spine, all the guilt, shame, lack of intimacy. Release from your spine. Say, I'm releasing. Take the deep breath. Feel the breath of peace is flowing onto your spine, onto your heart, onto your shoulder, and clearing all these guilts, shames, excess weight, carrying weight, hurt feeling, heart feeling. Release from your entire spine all forms of bad experiences. Release. Focus on your stomach and abdomen area. All forms of disempowerment, difficulty in processing the emotions, difficulty in assimilating the others' emotions. Whatever difficulty you are facing in your life, gut feeling, this and that, say, I am releasing from your entire abdomen area, your legs, all the pressures, emotional, mental, physical. Release all the unauthorized connections made with me, or I am releasing all forms of irritability, frustration, resentment, hurriedness, panic reaction, jealousies, enviousness. Release ingratitude towards God, towards Guru, towards Paramatma. Just release the ingratitude. Release all the ingratitude, all times of falsehood, manipulations of the reality, not to seeing the reality, not to understand the reality, or lying to everyone on each and every process. Just release all the vindictiveness, exaggerations from your entire body, all forms of self delusions. Release the pride from your entire arms, legs, entire body. Release the prize. With the help and the blessings of the Supreme God, I am releasing all forms of greediness, selfishness, all forms of gossiping, commenting, any kind of addictions, any kind of abusiveness. I am releasing. Physical alcoholic addictions, any kind of stealing addiction, sexual addiction, धोखा देने का addiction, infidelity, release, release, adultery, release from my entire body, hands on the heart, with the help and the blessings of the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, all the great, great beings I humbly invoke for the divine peace, divine joy, happiness, each and every part of my body, every cell, every tissue, every molecule, every atom of my body, and every organ of my system, every chakra is aligned, healed, blessed, full of joy, full of love, full of compassion, and filling with the healing light. Feel the divine light is flowing on to all of us like a river and rainfall and healing our entire body. Inhale, slowly hold. Exhale, slowly hold. Om. Shanti, 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 Shanti. Go in peace. Take a deep nap. Feel your physical body, etheric body, emotional body, mental body, causal body, buddhic body, atmic body, your Anupada and Adi. All the spiritual bodies are aligned. Be blessed, be blessed, be blessed. Feel the oneness with God. Feel your merging with God. You are becoming one with God. Feel that merge. Merge yourself with God. Merge and merge. Merge so that you are not able to see yourself even. Merge with the God. Complete oneness. Come back to your body now. 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 Thank you, Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother. Help me to heal every minute, every second, every hour, every day. Thank you with me. Thank you, thank you, thank you with deep gratitude, respect, and love. Thank you, all the listeners. I salute the divinity in all of you. Thank you for being attending the session. Hope you are loving the session. If you like it, if you're loving it, definitely share with your friends, with your family, with every person with whom you feel this person need this. Okay, create the good karma. Thank you. All of you are blessed, blessed, blessed. Your family members are blessed. Your entire family be blessed, healed. Your spouse be blessed. Your children are blessed. They are choosing the right career and taking care of you 24 by 7 easily and comfortably with joy and compassion. Every family, every member, every area be blessed. Where you are sitting, be blessed. Every place be blessed. All your patients be blessed, they are healed rapidly and properly. Every healer be blessed with abundance of money, success, name, and fame, and manifestation of their healings rapidly and properly. With thanks and in full faith, so be it, so be it, so be it. Bless the entire earth. Be blessed. All the resources be full of Mother Earth be full of resources, revitalized, regenerated with the divine light, divine love, divine power, and good air, good water, and each and every resource be full in the entire Mother Earth. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you love the session. Thank you.